Hello everyone, this is Bhuvaneshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Josephs College, Hosur. In this session, we will discuss about half-range sine series from Fourier series here. So half-range sine series formula is f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sine nx, where bn means here, how to find bn's? The formula is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi. Here, we are going to use this formula for f of x formula for half-range sine series, where bn is equal to integral 0 to pi f of x sine nx. After we are going to substitute the given function f of x here, and then we are going to find first bn. Then after finding bn, we are going to substitute in this formula here. So let's move on to the problem. First problem is f of x is equal to x into pi minus x, where x lies between 0 to pi. Find, express this as a half-range sine series here. So first, write the formula f of x equal to summation bn sine nx, where bn is equal to formula is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sine nx dx. So what is f of x here? F of x is here x into pi minus x. This is f of x here. So here we are going to use the formula, Bernoulli's formula, u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 goes on here. That formula we are going to use here. So what is u? This is u, this is dv. So from u, I'm writing here. From this I'm taking as u here. U is equal to x into pi minus x. This is nothing but multiply x with pi, we will get x pi minus x pi here. From u, this is u. From u, find u dash. What is u dash? X pi means 5x means 5 is the constant. Here pi is constant, so pi x means pi minus x square differentiation. U dash means differentiation of u. 5x means 5 is the differentiation. Here pi x, so pi is the differentiation. X square differentiation is 2x. So 2x here. Next, u double dash, when this is constant, so when we differentiate pi, we will get 0. Minus 2x differentiation is minus 2 here. So already here we are getting a constant here. So when you differentiate again u triple dash, we will get a 0 here. So this is u. From this, we are finding u dash, u double dash, and u triple dash here. So dv means here it is sine nx. So from dv, we are integrating first, that is v1 here. v1 is equal to integration of sine nx. Integration of sine nx's formula is minus cos nx by n. So next v2. v2 means integration of v1. Here minus 1 by n is constant. So we are integrating cos nx here. When you integrate cos nx, we will get sin nx by n. So we will get as minus 1 by n into sin nx by n. This is nothing but minus sin nx by n square here. Integrating this again, we will get v3 as minus here, minus 1 by n square is constant. When you integrate sin nx, we will get minus cos nx by n. So after multiplying these two terms, we'll get minus into minus becomes plus here, plus cos nx by n cube. Here it is plus cos nx by n. So we got as v3 as minus into minus becomes plus. So this becomes cos nx by n cube here. So we are substituting in the formula. U is what? It is pi x minus x square. U v1 minus cos nx by n. This is Bernoulli's formula. U v1 bn is equal to 2 by pi. We are writing this 2 by pi as it is. Instead of this integration, we are using the Bernoulli's formula here. The formula is u v1 minus u dash v2. U dash is this term. Next v2 is this term. Next term plus u double dash v3. U double dash is minus 2. v3 is cos nx by n cube. Next, u triple dash will come. It already becomes 0 here. So if you multiply 0 with any term, it terms becomes 0. So all other terms are 0. The limit is from 0 to pi here. Here we'll get pi. Here, when I substitute here, first I have to substitute upper limit, next lower limit. When I substitute upper limit here, in the place of x, we will get pi square minus pi. In the place of x, put pi. So pi square. Here also pi. So pi square minus pi square is 0. So we will get the term as 0 here. Next, when I substitute 0 in the place of x, you will get 0. So this first term fully becomes 0. Next, same way, sine n pi value is also 0. Sine 0 is also 0. So the second term also fully becomes 0 here. Finally, we get only this term minus 2 into cos nx by n cube. So when I substitute here in the place of x pi, we will get here minus 2 by n cube is constant. When I substitute in the place of x pi, we will get minus 2 by n cube into cos n pi value is minus n. Minus 2 by n cube is constant, so I am taking it outside. I'm going to substitute only for cos nx. In the place of x, substitute cos n pi. So we will get cos n pi value is minus 1 power n minus lower limit is cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. So we will get as minus 1 power n minus 1. So when I multiply these two, we will get 4 by here. I'm taking this minus inside. So this becomes plus and this becomes minus. When I multiply these two terms, you will get 4 by pi n cube into multiplying minus, we will get this becomes minus. So minus minus 1 power n, this becomes plus 1 minus minus 1 power n, we will get. So this is nothing but if I put here n is equal to 1 means we will get 1 plus 1 is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 by pi n cube. When I substitute in the place of n, 2 means minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 minus 1, this becomes 0 here. So this term, when I similarly n is equal to 4, I'll get this becomes 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So n is equal to even, this term becomes 0. N is equal to odd, this term we will get is 1 minus of minus 1. N is equal to 3, I'll get minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So 4 into 2, 8. Similarly, when n is equal to 5, we will get as minus of minus 1. The whole power of 5 is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So plus 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 4 into 2 is, we will get the same as 8 by pi n cube here if n is odd. So Bn value we are getting is 0 if n is even, 8 by pi n cube if n is odd. Next, we are going to finally find f of x. Substitute, we are going to find, so we have to substitute Bn in f of x. Formula is f of x equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. In this, if I substitute here Bn in the place of Bn, 8 by pi n cube means here only for odd numbers we will get. So I am substituting instead of odd number, I am putting n as in the place of n. I am putting 2n minus 1 the whole cube. So when I put here 1 means n is equal to 1, we will get 2 minus 1, 1. When I put 2, we will get 4 minus 1, 3. So we will get odd numbers here. So instead of odd, n is odd, I am putting here 2n minus 1. So we will get only the odd numbers. 8 by pi I am writing as it is. Summation. Summation means this 8 by pi is not having any n terms here. Summation is for n. N is equal to 1 to infinity. So this is constant. So I am taking this 8 by pi outside the summation. The remaining term is 8 by n. Sorry, remaining is 8 by pi. I am taking outside. So the remaining is 1 by n cube. So bn, that is into sine nx. 1 by n cube, that is 1 by 2n minus 1 the whole cube. Sine nx means sine into 2n minus 1x. So this is the half range sine series for the given function here. Thank you.